Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make curry chicken. For today's video, here are the ingredients I'll be using. For the cleaning and prep steps, I'll use 4 to 5 pounds of chicken thighs, vinegar, salt, lime, and boiling water. For the marinating process, I'll need the cleaned chicken, 3 tablespoon epice, 1 lime, thyme, parsley, 1 pack chicken bouillon powder, or you can use the cube, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 chili peppers, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon ground clove, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. To see a video on how I make epice, please click the link in the description box. For the cooking process, I'll use 2 tablespoon oil, 1.5 tablespoon curry powder, the marinated chicken, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of water, half of an onion that's been diced potatoes, as well as diced carrots. For this curry chicken, I'll be using chicken thighs. I'll remove the skin of the chicken and remove any visible fat and cut 1 thigh into 2 pieces. After trimming the fat and removing the skin off of the chicken, I'll rinse under cold water. I'll add vinegar, salt, and the juice of 1 lime, and I'll clean each piece of meat with the lime. Allow the chicken to sit in this vinegar and lime mixture for about 5 minutes before pouring hot water. Allow the chicken to sit in this hot water for about 5 minutes before draining and rinsing under cold water. Now we can move on to the marinating process. Go ahead and add the cleaned chicken to a bowl. Add paprika, ground cloves, minced garlic, chicken bouillon powder or cube, black pepper, juice of 1 lime, and epice. Off camera, I added 1 tablespoon of the curry powder as well as salt, and then I went back and added another half a tablespoon of curry powder. Once you have all the seasoning, go ahead and mix and make sure every piece of meat is covered. Add your thyme, parsley, and chili pepper, and go ahead and cover this, and you can leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour, or even better if you leave it overnight. I allowed the chicken to marinate for an hour and a half. In the meantime, I started to prep the carrots and the potatoes. I cleaned the carrots and potatoes before peeling. Rinse the carrots and potatoes under cold water. Roughly chop the carrots and go ahead and dice the potatoes. Give the carrots and potatoes one final rinse and set them aside. In a hot pot, add your oil as well as the curry powder. Allow the curry powder to cook, but do not let it burn. Add the marinated meat into the pot. Stir, place the lid on the pot, and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of cooking, remove the lid and stir the pot. As you can see, the chicken started to produce its own liquid. At this point, add 1 can of coconut milk, allowed to cook with the lid on. After 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, I removed the lid, gave it a quick taste, added 1 cup of water, stir, place the lid back on, and allow it to come back to a boil. Add your diced onions, the carrots and potatoes, and allow the carrots and potatoes to cook thoroughly. Towards the end of the cooking process, I'll skim some of the fat out of the pot. And there you have it, how I make curry chicken using chicken thighs. In a previous video, I showed you how I made rice with red kidney beans to pair with this curry chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.